I recommend hyaluronic acid to my patients of all skin types and tones to enhance their skin's moisture retention for lasting hydration. In my practice, I often use hyaluronic acid as injectables, but when applied topically, it has been shown to help visibly replump and reduce lines. Hyaluronic acid is a molecule naturally found in skin. With age, our skin's production of hyaluronic acid, which gives it its natural volume and bounce, gradually decreases. It leads to loss of plumpness and early signs of aging. Hyaluronic acid attracts water and electrolytes and visibly replumps fine lines and restores skin volume. 1.5% is the optimal level of pure hyaluronic acid that can be delivered in a gentle, non-sticky texture. Apply it onto damp skin and follow with your usual moisturizer to lock in moisture. Now you know what there is to know about hyaluronic acid.
For highest concentration of pure hyaluronic acid, wrinkles are less visible by up to 47%. Want to see how it works?
This box represents your skin. This is a macro hyaluronic acid molecule, so they sit on top of the skin to smooth and hydrate. This is a micro hyaluronic acid molecule. It penetrates more deeply into skin to plump.
Over time, wrinkles are visibly reduced. Skin is replumped. 100% of women showed an improvement.